Ooh, nice, huh? Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to review the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro, which was just released a couple of days ago, along with a bunch of other cool stuff. And it is the latest, the most expensive, and also the most premium earbuds from Xiaomi. In this video, I will test every bit of it. So subscribe if you haven't. At the same time, I will compare it with the Libertone Air Plus. This is an awesome pair of earbuds. And also, of course, we'll compare it with the AirPods Pro. How can we miss that, right? Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, starting with unboxing. This is the packaging for the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro. Spatial audio, surround hearing. Check this out. Bone voice print AI noise reduction for cores. To be honest, I'm just surprised to see this manufacturer just invents some unexisted jargon or terminology so they can sell more money, right? Sell more expensive. But I will test that definitely to see if it's gimmicky or something. Okay, just like that. This is the earbuds. Whoa. Let's take a close look later. USB-C cable, and then we have the manual and this ear tubes, 3 pair of them. That's all the stuff you can get from this box. Ooh, unlike other Xiaomi earbuds, this one is like opens like this. Check out the sound. Oh, it's magnetic. However, speaking of this design, I have to complain about this. Did you actually learn this or borrow this or copy this from Libertone Air Plus? See? Wow. Even you use it lots of efforts, it's not easy to fall out. The same good as the Libertone Air Plus. Let's move to the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro. So this is the charging case. On the front we have the indicator. Down here, Type-C charging port, a reset button. Here, nothing. Oh, you see. Kind of very easy to get the fingerprints and smudges, right? And it supports wireless charging. What do you think of this kind of glossy design here? And also the matte finish there? I don't know if I like it because this gives me an inconsistent viewing experience. I'm not a big fan. I wish just, all matte finish or glossy finish. Anyway, move to the Buds. So on top we have nothing. Right here we obviously have the infrared sensor for in-ear detection. Moving down we have the charging contacts. Also we see the main mic here for voice pickup, something like that. When done, we also have another second mic. We have it down here. That is the touch area. Now let's just connect it with my phone. I'm using the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Go to the Bluetooth list and find. I see. This the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro is already there. Just click and it's pairing. Different pair. Okay, it's connected. Do the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro have that pop-up window? Oh, it has. Let me just show you one more time. Hey. Oh, that's great. That's great. So we can, okay. Since we're connected, so it's just so fast. Okay, down here, I'll walk you through the settings very quickly. So here we see the battery indicator for the earbuds, then the transparency, noise cancellation off. One thing I just realized that under this transparency mode, it offers 3 options: regular, enhanced voice, and ambient. 6 levels of noise cancellation. This is the deepest one, light. You can also turn on the auto mode, so you can adjust the noise reduction based on your environmental noise. Dimensional audio. If you want to use this feature, you have to find the right audio and right video. That's bullshit, right? Here, I'm with Simi.
We will give our opinion because we cannot show. I didn't notice many difference between AirPods Pro and the Xiaomi
Buds 4 Pro.
Yeah.
Don't care too much about it.
Yeah.
Low latency. Wow, low latency. Why cannot just turn on the low latency? I definitely need this. Alright, gestures. Here we have double press or triple press or press and hold. Okay, phone calls, media, that's just common stuff, right? Most importantly, let's just move to the water quality. Alright, so right now we testing the call quality of the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro. Let me know if it's good. So currently we test the call quality by using the AirPods Pro and compare with the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro. So right now I'm using the Libertone Air Plus to test the call quality. Please let me know if you can hear clearly. So yeah, but we both think the Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro has really good audio quality. That's true.
Comparing with the AirPods Pro.
And also another thing we're really impressed is the noise reduction, right?
Oh yeah.
When we turn to deep, because that's
the
6
maximum?
levels. Yeah, wow, that is, I think it has the best.
You cannot see, but the air conditioner is just here on the top of our heads. When it's turning on, we can hear a lot of wind blowing here, and the machine noise. But when we turn to the deep, everything gone.
Yeah, that's.
I think this is the best noise cancellation Xiaomi release, right?
Yeah. The best right now.
The best one.
So the best, it has good quality and best noise reduction. I think, yeah.
Not the best price.
But the price, like say, is the most expensive one.
Yeah.
But maybe it's currently the best Xiaomi can offer.
Yeah, I think it's worth the price because like the audio is very high quality, but you need to balance. You really need to be able to pay 1,000, or maybe you are just that kind of person needed the earphones sometimes. Maybe you can go to the cheap version.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's our conclusion, right, for this Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the video.
Yeah.
And subscribe to Sim's channel, please. Sim, make it to 10,000.
Yeah, please.